Welcome back to Dilmas. Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry Exercise 8.2. Second question we are going to do now. It is coming in 10th standard CBSE syllabus. So we'll check what the question given. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. So what is first question? In second question, first subdivision is 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. So we have to find out the value of this one and want to choose the correct answer from this. Okay. So what is the question given? 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. Okay, what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. 1 plus tan square 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 the whole square. So from this what you will get? 2 into 1 by root 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. What you will get? 1 by 3, isn't it? Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. So you will get 1 plus 1 by 3, and this we can write as 2 by root 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. From this we can take the LCM of this one. So what will be the LCM? 3 will be the LCM, isn't it? And we will get as 3 plus 1. So this you can write as 2 by root 3 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 by 3. And now we can see that here in numerator one fraction, denominator again one fraction. So what we can do? We can multiply with the reciprocal of the denominator, isn't it? So this we can write as 2 by 3 into the reciprocal of 4 by 3. 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 into reciprocal of 4 by 3 we can write as 3 by 4, and 2 will cancel here, and in the next step what we can write? 3 by 2 root 3, isn't it? And now we can cancel this root 3, isn't it? 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3, and the denominator what will come? 2 into root 3 will come. Now we can cancel this root 3, and that's equal to root 3 by 2. And what is root 3 by 2? Here in this, which one is root 3 by 2? Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So our answer is option A, sin 60. Okay. What is the second subdivision and second question? 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. So we have to find out the value of this one. What are the options? Q1 tan 90, B 1, C sin 45, D 0. So 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. And tan 45 is equal to 1, isn't it? So we can substitute tan 45 is equal to 1 here. So 1 minus 1 the whole square divided by 1 plus 1 the whole square. Since tan 45 is equal to 1. Okay, and 1 minus 1 square is equal to 1 minus 1, that's equal to 0, and divided by 1 plus 1 square. 1 plus 1 square is equal to 2, isn't it? 1 square is equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and this you will get as 0. So our option is option D, 0. Third subdivision we are going to do. So what is the question given? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to that. So we have to find out a angle A. That means we have to find out an angle A when sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. That means by substituting that A, we should get what? Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. So some options are given here. Option A 0 degree, option B 30 degree, option C 45, option D 60 degree. Okay. So first we have to write the condition sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. That's what we have to prove. Okay. So for that what we are going to do? We are going to give some values for this A. So which and all the values we have to give? This 4 values. First we will substitute A is equal to 0. Then what will happen? Sin 2A is equal to sin 2 into, instead of A we can write 0. So sin 2 into 0 is equal to sin 0. Sin 0 is equal to what? Sin 0 degree is equal to 0. So what we got? Sin 2A is equal to 0 we got. Okay. And next one we have to find 2 sin A. So what is 2 sin A? 2 into, instead of A we have to write 0. 2 into sin 0. Sin 0 is equal to 0. So 2 into 0, that is equal to 0. So what we got? 2 sin A is equal to 0. 2 sin A is equal to 0. That's equal to what we got? Sin 2A, isn't it? So from this what we got? 2 sin A is equal to sin 2A when A is equal to 0. So what is our answer? A is equal to 0. So option A is our answer. Last subdivision, 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. Options are given. Cos 60, sin 60, tan 60 and sin 30. So what we have to do? We have to find out the value of 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. So we'll write that first. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. And what is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equal to 1 divided by root 3, and that's equal to what we'll write here? 2 into tan 30. 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. 1 by root 3 the whole square. That's equal to 2 into 1 by root 3 is equal to 2 by root 3, isn't it? 2 divided by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square. 1 square by root 3 square, that's equal to 1 by 3. And which will imply 2 by root 3. In the denominator, 1 minus 1 by 3 is there. So what we have to do? We have to take the LCM there. So what will be the LCM? 3 will be the LCM. And 3 minus 1 you will get 2 by root 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 by 3 you will get. Isn't it? And here fraction divided by another fraction, then what you can do? You can multiply with the reciprocal of the denominator. So 2 by root 3 into, in the numerator 2 by 3 is there. So what is the reciprocal of that one? 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 we can write as root 3. 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3, isn't it? And now we can cancel this root 3 and 2 we can cancel. Then what will get? Root 3 we will get, and root 3. So cos 60 is not as equal to root 3, sin 60 not equal to root 3, tan 60, yes, tan 60 is equal to root 3. So our option is option C, tan 60, that's equal to root 3. Okay, that's all. In exercise 8.2 I have completed all the questions. So if you have any doubt in exercise 8.2, ask me through the comment box. Thank you for watching.